guys, I am Christine Joy P. Galopi, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science. So today's activity, I am going to create my own animal and plant cell model by using edible materials. So I hope you guys like it. So guys, here is my edible materials. So we have loaf bread, we have Presto, Chewy Choco, Nips, Yum Shots Cracker, Tatus, Super Crunch, and Patata Cracker, margarine, and Jamin Milky Paste. So the bread is to represent the cell wall. So cell wall provides tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. Also, it allows cells to develop turgor pressure, which is the pressure of the cell contents against the cell wall. And I'm going to put it margarine to represent cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the responsible for holding the components of the cell and protect them from damage. It stores the molecules required of cellular process, and it is also responsible for giving the cell its shape. So here, going to put it to the whole bread, the same as to
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So after that, we need to put the yum shot into the plant cell to represent as the cell membrane. So we need to put yum shot as well. So into the side. So by the way, the cell membrane is to provide protection for a cell, also provides a fixed environment inside the cell, and that membrane has several different functions. One is to transport nutrients into the cell, and plus to support toxic substance out of the cell. So after that, we need to put the Jamin milk paste to represent the endoplasmic reticulum. The same as we do to the animal cell. Anyway, the endoplasmic reticulum can either be smooth or rough, and in general, its function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cells to function. So, next is the nucleus and nucleolus. So, I used Presto to represent nucleus and nucleolus, same as to animal cell. So, nucleus is the carries genetic information and controls what happens inside the cell. And the nucleolus is the region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Next is vacuole. So I am using tattoos to represent vacuole. So here, tattoos. To plant cells. So anyway, animal cell has no vacuole. So vacuole contains a liquid called cell sap which keeps the cell firm. So next is the chloroplast. So I am using Super Crunch to represent the chloroplast in plant cell.
What a wonderful world.
So, chloroplast is the food producers of the cell. Also, it works to convert high energy of the sun into sugars that can be used by cells. Next is the mitochondria. I am using my Yema to represent the mitochondria. So here, I'm using Yema for mitochondria in plant cell. So mitochondria where most respiration reactions happens. Next is the Golgi vesicles. So I'm going to use the patata crackers to represent the Golgi vesicles in plant cell. So here. So Golgi vesicles is referred to as the traffic police of the cell. They play a key role in sorting many of the cell's proteins and membrane constituents and directing them to their proper destinations. So next is the Golgi apparatus. So I'm going to use Chowi Choco to represent Golgi apparatus. So here I'm going to put the Chowi Choco into the plant cells. So anyway, Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles to deliver to target destinations. So next is the ribosomes. So I'm going to use NIPS to represent ribosomes. Same as to animal cell. So anyway, the ribosomes is either located in the liquid inside the cell called the cytoplasm and attached to the membrane. They can be found in both prokaryotic bacteria and eukaryotic animals and plants cells. So here is my finished product. duct, plant cell, and animal cell. So that's all for today's activity. I hope you guys like it and enjoy my video. Bye-bye!